There have been so many AI agentic IDEs in the market, and my personal favorite is Cursor. Also, there is Z claiming to be the next generation code editor designed for high performance because it's built on Rust and is quite fast. But there's a new IDE in the market. Now, Athas code editor is a new contender in the IDE market when it comes to AI agentic IDEs, and they're performing quite well as it is a very lightweight code editor with Vim mode in it. And for those of you who are already familiar with Linux and Debian distributions, you might know what Vim mode is. They also have Git integration and agentic AI editing. And in this video today, we're going to be actually downloading and setting this up locally. And then we're going to be talking about how we can use this for free via free LLM APIs. Or if you want to go with your OpenAI or any other paid API, that's totally up to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the video by downloading Athas on our machine. Hi and welcome back to SkillCurb. This is the host Reyes and we're finally getting started with this video. So you have to go to the website athas.dev right here, and you can just go ahead and click on download, and this should take you to this release page right here. Now here you can go ahead and scroll down to this assets portion, and here you can download according to your OS. You can go with DMG if you're on Mac, or you can go with the Debian packages if you're on Linux. But I'm just gonna go with the setup.exe because I'm on Windows. So let's go ahead and download this. And once you download it, you can just go ahead and pretty much run this. Now the install is pretty simple. You just have to follow along the steps and it's really simple install. Let's hit next. And I'm gonna run athas right away. So there you go. This is how it looks. I know this looks really simple, but that's the whole point about it. It is quite lightweight. I want to talk a little about their future roadmap. So right now, they have completed their syntax highlighting. They have completed the Git integration. They're working on the version 0.3 on Vim mode, as well as 0.4. They're going to have language servers, which is quite interesting. And they're going to have agentic AI editing and extensions later on. But they already have this in the beta version that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to go ahead, go back to my editor, go back to Athas. All right, so Athas is just like any other code editor. You have the folder structure right here. You can see this is my code right here. This is my Python code. Then we have the search feature. We have the Git integration right here. And we also have an extension marketplace. So I can pretty much go ahead and download extensions right here. And this is what the roadmap was talking about, that they're going to work on extensions and language servers, but they have already worked on it. And there's a portion of it in the beta version that you can see on my screen right now. All right, so that's that. Let's close this. Also, we have the terminal right here. So this means that I can access my terminal right here. I can add multiple terminals just like VS Code or any other editor. And we have the settings right above here. We have the journal settings, the editor settings. Now here comes the configuration part and the setting that you guys should know. So here in the AI section, you can see I have pretty much all the major providers. So you can choose any provider, give your API key and just use their models for free because this is open source. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go ahead and click on this show here and you can select your provider. So I'm going to go with Google Gemini because at the start of the video, I told you guys that I'm going to show you how you can use this for free with the free LLM API key. So here in the aistudio.google.com, I'm just going to go ahead and grab an API key by just clicking here and creating a new API key. Let's name this as Athas. Let's go ahead and create this key. And back here in Athas, I can just go ahead and configure the Gemini API key by clicking here, pasting in my API key, and then you can see the available models right here. And you can pretty much just click on save and connect. And that's how simple it is. Now, if you want to go with Anthropic or any other AI provider like OpenRouter or OpenAI, you can do that as well. So I'm going to be configuring my OpenAI models as well because I think that OpenAI's GPT-5 thinking might be one of the best models when it comes to coding. I have a couple of videos about it on my channel. And for that, I have to go to platform.openai.com and in my dashboard, I can create a new API key. So this is going to be Athas. Let's go ahead and create this API key and let's go ahead and copy this. Once we have it, back here in Athas, I can just paste in my API key and save and connect. After configuring your API providers, what you can do is just click on the assistant right here. So this is the AI assistant that you can use to chat and build. Now, there's something that I want to tell you guys. Athas was developed by a single developer at the beginning, so it is quite new and and they shipped out Athas quite fast. So there might be some bugs in it right now, but I think it has the potential to be competing with lightweight AI agentic IDEs. That's why I was excited to share this with you guys, because I feel like Athas has the potential to grow. Overall, if you want to contribute or support, you can go ahead and do that as well. And there are already 42 contributors, so I'm really hoping we will have a stable and tested version soon enough. They have a couple of demos over at YouTube. You can go ahead and check them out and see their future plans. Also, you can see the new features right here as well. So that's it for this short video about Athas, the new IDE in the market and something that has potential. With that said, let's wrap this video up. And I hope this video is valuable for you guys. And do let me know if you want more videos about Athas in the future when they release their first stable version out. With that said, I want to wrap this video up. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.